Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss of the 2025 BMW i8, a futuristic sports car that blends cutting-edge hybrid technology, breathtaking design, and dynamic performance into one unforgettable package. Let's dive right in. Right from the start, the 2025 BMW i8 turns heads with its striking, futuristic design. BMW has reimagined the classic i8 silhouette with even more aggressive, aerodynamic lines and sculpted curves that enhance both beauty and performance. The front end features a bold, angular grille paired with sleek LED headlights that give it a sharp, modern look. The overall profile is low and wide, emphasizing stability and sportiness, while subtle design cues pay homage to the original i8's innovative spirit. This car isn't just built to perform, it's built to inspire. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW i8 is a technological marvel. It's powered by an advanced hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged gasoline engine with a high-efficiency electric motor. This setup delivers instantaneous torque for quick acceleration, while still keeping fuel consumption impressively low for a sports car. Early performance figures suggest that the i8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.5 seconds, making it not only environmentally friendly but also incredibly exhilarating to drive. The seamless integration of electric and combustion power means you get a smooth transition between power sources, offering both spirited performance on the track and refined efficiency during daily commutes. Step inside, and you'll discover an interior that is as forward-thinking as its exterior. BMW has crafted a driver-focused cockpit that combines premium materials with state-of-the-art technology. The cabin features high-quality leather, carbon fiber trim, and intuitive design elements that create an atmosphere of luxury and innovation. A fully digital instrument cluster displays critical performance metrics, speed, battery charge, energy usage in crisp detail, while a large touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage for navigation, media, and connectivity. The ergonomic seats provide excellent support during spirited driving, making the 2025 i8 a joy whether you're on a winding road or a daily drive. Technology in the 2025 i8 is built to enhance the driving experience without detracting from its performance character. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking are integrated seamlessly to ensure safety on every journey. BMW's commitment to connectivity means you'll also enjoy features like wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and over-the-air software updates that keep your vehicle at the forefront of innovation. The overall result is a car that feels as secure and modern as it is thrilling to drive. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2025 i8 is its versatility. While it delivers high-performance thrills, it's also designed to be practical enough for everyday driving. The hybrid powertrain ensures excellent fuel efficiency and low emissions, so you can enjoy a sporty drive without sacrificing sustainability. Its finely tuned suspension and precise steering make for a balanced ride, agile enough to carve through twisty roads, yet stable enough for confident highway cruising. Whether you're embracing a spirited drive on a weekend getaway or navigating urban streets, the i8 adapts to your needs with ease. Now, let's talk about the expected price. Early estimates suggest that the 2025 BMW i8 will start at around $200,000. This price reflects not only its advanced hybrid technology and high-performance credentials but also the premium craftsmanship and futuristic design that BMW is known for. For enthusiasts seeking a cutting-edge sports car that combines eco-friendly innovation with exhilarating performance, the new i8 presents an enticing proposition. In summary, the 2025 BMW i8 is a standout model that pushes the boundaries of what a hybrid sports car can be. Its bold, futuristic design, exhilarating performance, luxurious and tech-forward interior, and advanced safety features come together to deliver a driving experience that is both thrilling and sustainable. Whether you're a longtime BMW fan or new to the brand, the new i8 is set to impress on every level. Thanks for watching this review of the 2025 BMW i8. If you enjoyed the video and found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What feature of the new i8 excites you the most? Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.